Alright, hi, how's it going? What's happening? This week and like last week, they're rough, and I'm kind of working a lot. Alright, so I tested a couple products in this video, and this is how it's looking. I guess I'll just have to find out how I feel about them as the video goes along. Alright, so I'm testing out a couple products, so if you want to see how it goes, just watch it. Check it out. Actually, you know what? Go that way. Yeah, this way. Yeah. See you in a second. Okay, so like I said, I went and did a little bit of shopping yesterday. So I guess we'll just go ahead and get started into it, and I'm very excited. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead with my MAC Strobe Cream and just dab a little bit on my finger. And this is in Pink Light. And then just put this all over my face. So this will just make my face look a little bit more luminous without adding a whole bunch to it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with, what am I doing? I don't know, I'm out of order. I'm going to try this Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. It's just a little one. I haven't tried a Smashbox primer in a long time, and I never really liked them. So we'll see how this goes. Ew, that's liquidy. Okay, I guess we're going to shake it. And smooth over clean, moisturized skin. Okay. Okay, much better. Just comes out clear and a little bit thickish, but not too bad. I'm just patting this over my pore areas. Okay, so looking at it firsthand, I don't see a whole lot of difference. Maybe there will be when we put on the foundation. I don't know. But I'm gonna go in with the Pacifica the Pacifica Alight Clean Foundation, Oil-Free Anti-Shine, and Satin Finish. But looking at it on my hand, it looked kind of matte. So I don't know. I was like, I'm just gonna try it. I saw that Tati tried it, and then I looked at a couple other videos, and I was like, whatever. We'll just see how it goes. So it is in the shade 33NL. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit, and this shade wasn't exactly the shade that I wanted. I wanted a little bit tanner because my body is a bit tan right now. I'm much tanner than the video is showing, so that's really rude. Okay, there's a pump, and actually that's a little bit more than I wanted, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Morphe M406 and go for it. Okay, so that is half of my face done. This side, the grosser side, because I have this friend right here, and I don't know what's up with him. He's just here to stay. So this is my skin without, skin with. It's providing good coverage, like the amount of coverage that I want, because I don't really want full. I know, strange, right? And we'll just have to see how this works in. I can't tell if this is like looking dry or not yet. And I don't have dry skin, don't forget. Alright, let's just continue and see where this takes us. Alright, and that is the foundation so far. I think it's fine. It looks good. I think I'm just going to have to see how it wears and then really make up my decision. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my concealer now. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer, and I'm in the shade 3 Fair. And then with my foundation brush, I just blend that in. Except for under my eyes, I go in with my finger. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my powder. I don't know what it is. It could be the primer, it could be how amazing my powder is, but I don't have any pores. They're gone. They disappeared. I do have fine lines though. Alright, it is time for some bronzer. I'm gonna go in with Too Faced Sweet Tea Big Luminous Glow Bronzer. And per usual, using my M406 brush. I have like 5 of these now. I just use them for everything. And that's fine with me. You know what I just realized? Is that I didn't put my fresh sugar lip caramel stuff on. Hydrating balm. And I'm really feeling it. My lips are so dry. Cool, now I feel beautiful. Delicious. Okay, it's brow time with the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and I am in the shade 3. Let's get these brows mix snatched. Alright, and that took about 20 days, so now I'm going to go in with the Glossy Boy Brow in Blonde. I don't know what's with today, but the brows are not my friends. It's fine. It's fine. I'm loving it. It's funny because it was the same combo that I used yesterday, and they were like, I was like, woo, I love these brows, they're great. And today I'm just like, no, not loving them. I really need to trim them. Actually, that's probably like the biggest problem. All right, now I'm gonna add like a little bit of highlight to my face, and I'm just gonna go in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is in Be My Highlight, which is probably, I think it's the lightest one, or at least it's like the original shade that they came out with. Not doing much, just giving a little bit of glow without using a highlight. I don't know why, but I can't figure out what highlight to use today, and I almost don't even want to use one, but I need to. I really need to. I just need to use up what I have, honestly. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that just spectacular? Wow. This is the ColourPop Loose Highlighter in the shade Know Me. It's like one of the first ones that came out. I think, yeah, it was in the original launch. It's cute, it's pretty. Doesn't really last long. Just fine. Okay, before I go in and do my eyeballs, I'm gonna set my face with the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. Get ready for my ugly face. I feel so heavenly. I'm gorgeous now. I'm feeling wonderful. Well, besides the fine lines underneath my eyeballs, this foundation looks pretty good. And I still need to do my eyebrows. Have you guys met Billy yet? Look who's that. Who is that? It's a Bill. This is Billy. She's 6 months. And she's the worst. She's like a terrible puppy, but we love her. Who's that? And because of her short little nose, she has no nose. She just snorts all the time. So she's our little pig. I hope you're getting all of the out of it. Alright, she's hanging out on my lap, so if you hear the snorting noises, it's me. What did I do for my eyes? That's disgusting when you do that. Alright, while I'm procrastinating, figuring out what I want to do with my eyeballs, I'm going to use my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. And just get that all over the eyeballs. Pretty. I've just been doing this haphazardly when I've been using it just because it's like, I want to just kind of use it and then probably get something else. I don't know. It's a little dry. And my eyelids are like a little bit dry, but like also like moist. I said it. I said moist. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs palette in the Lolita. I found it at TJ Maxx because otherwise I probably wouldn't have this because these palettes are expensive and there's only 7 shades. So this is what it looks like. It's very minimal, like it's very good for like everyday shenanigans. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest color. It's like a white. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this neutral tan-ish shade. I don't know. There's no shade names. I don't even know if you can like get this palette anymore. So just emulate it with a soft, matte, cool tan shade. And that's going right in the crease. I hadn't used this palette for like a minute and I pulled it out the other day and I've just been using it over and over again. It's so simple and so, it's like just like a basic ass palette, but I love it because it's so easy. Okay, I just realized I lied. I do have another Marc Jacobs palette and I realized why I love this one so much is because it's so easy to blend and everything, and that one, the other one, I don't know what it is, but it's so fucking hard to blend and it just looks patchy as shit and I'm like, cool, but I love it still. Why does that happen? Okay, so this is going everywhere but the crease. It's like nearly to my brow bone, but we'll blend that out. It's fine, just don't worry about it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this black shade. Okay, hear me out. This black right here, look at it. Look at it. Where is the pigment? It's not even going to, look at that. It's not even going to focus on it because that's how like not much pigment is in it. It's great. It's like almost a gray in it, but I love it because it gives you like that little effect of a black without being so intense that you're like, oh, I just fucked up my whole look. It's done now. Can't do anything about it. So I'm just taking this on like the outer side and just kind of like winging it out, but not. And then I just kind of like take it up and blend it with everything else. Okay, now taking a little baby fluffy brush, we're gonna go in with that black and we're gonna go right underneath. It's fine, trust. Because then, you know what, if you still don't like it, you don't have to do it. It's fine. Won't hurt my feelings. I'm just taking that first white shade again with that same brush and just like running over the top just to smoothing it out. And that brown that we were using with its brush, we're just going down underneath and just buffing it. You thought I was gonna leave that there, didn't you? Just get used to the low show it's just gonna be a ride until it's done. Okay, and then there's like this kind of pearly pinky-ish weird shade that's really light, and that's gonna go in the inner corner. And I pack that bitch on. Okay, now the fun part. There's like this glittery shade in here that is like super chunky and terrible, but it looks so good. Just watch. Okay, so that's gonna go right in the middle there, and then it's gonna travel up. Because once you know, close your eye, it's gonna be there anyway. So you might as well just like help it along. Right now it's black eyeliner time. You know where that's going? Big old line on the bottom. Just kidding, it's gonna go on the top. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm going to curl the shenanigans out of my lashes. And now I'm going to prime TF out of them. God, this looks so not my favorite with this lighting. But like when I look over here, over there, at my real mirror, I'm just like, you killed it, beat! Okay, you want to know a new favorite mascara that I found at Ulta? The Milani Dangerous Lengths. Nobody talks about it that I know of. Maybe in like a featured video of full face Milani, and that's about it. Are you guys ready to watch some shit? Yes, we are. Hello, my lashes are here for your attention. And I like it so much, I'm going in for another round. Alright, the last thing for today is a gloss. Yeah. The Marc Jacobs Enamored stick thing. I don't know, it's a lip gloss in a stick. In Mocha Chocolate. They're so clever there at Marc Jacobs. Crunching up. And it's like a little bit of brownie nudie, but like this, it's just kind of like, I thought it was purple. It's like, that's wrong. No. But that's fine because I like this color anyway. Alright guys, that is the look today. So let's check out this skin since I put it on. Alright. Okay, a little bit of creasing right here, but that's pretty normal for me. I have glitter now all over my face for my eyeshadow, but you know what? That's fine. Congratulations to me. I have glitter. And I do have some lines up here. But though, for first impressions being $16, it's not bad. You know? I think it's fine. I think it looks good. I like it. I'm gonna keep wearing it, and I'm gonna tell you more about it in another video. I'll give you a little thing about it. Okay? So, if you really liked this shenanigans, I don't know why you would, but you should. You should definitely subscribe, probably like the video, hit the bell, because you never know what I'm gonna upload. You don't, so you should just know. And then you should also follow me on Instagram at Livinthelolife, because that's where I announce if I upload. I ain't Wonder Woman. That's about all I got. Alright. Catch ya on the flip side.